School, a time for learning, growing, and making lifelong friends. But for some students, a dark secret lurks beneath the surface. Research conducted by Jindal Institute of Behavioral Sciences on students in Chennai revealed accessibility and affordability are driving drug use.
We found that the students themselves have accepted the fact that since drugs are available at a walkable distance to their school and also at an affordable price, they indulge in it. They have something like ganja laced chocolates, which do not even look like drugs, but they're readily available in small petty shops which are at maybe just around the corner from their school, and then they just go and they can have it whenever they want.
Peer pressure, academic stress, family issues, these factors can also push students towards drugs. They use them to experiment, fit in, escape, or numb emotional pain.
We know that students start out as an experiment, or especially in private schools, it's because of the peer pressure. They want to maintain an image of themselves. They also feel a need to perform very well in academics or sports, or sometimes they feel this sort of pressure from their friends where they feel isolated or lonely.
Drug use at a young age leads to a downward spiral. Depression, social isolation, school suspension, these are just the beginning. It can even lead to suicidal tendencies and risky behavior with potential for accidents or injuries.
So in our study, it was very surprising that the students themselves have come up with very innovative ways of not getting caught. Students also involved in dealing drugs, and they said that, okay, if we just give a packet of cocaine or a packet of ganja, then there are higher chances of them getting caught. But what if they just hide them within chocolates, or they have vapes that are coming up? Because many of the parents nowadays do not know what a vape is, or they do not even think that, oh, this cannot be a chocolate, this might be a drug which is there.
The good news is there is hope. More support programs, engaging extracurricular activities, and open communication with parents can help divert students from drugs and towards a healthy lifestyle.
To prevent this drug abuse among children, parents especially, can start spending more time with their kids. School schedules can start giving more time for them to indulge in extracurricular or outdoor activities where they're spending their energy on doing something else rather than just sitting there using their phones, just having them just get succumbed to their own thoughts of negativity. Even recreational activities like meditation or sports or any fun exercises that the school or any other organization can help these students take part in would actually diverge their attention to any other perspective.